So somebody just lost a bird. A bird flew up right up there. This is not a good idea, right?
No.
I don't even want to watch this.
I don't want to watch this either.
Where is it? Where am I? I think I'm lost. Okay. Excuse me, where's the expo? You don't speak English? Where's the expo? This is the swap meet. Where's the expo? Hey yo, beautiful CVPs, welcome to my world. It's me, Carolin, and today I was supposed to meet with Ryan here at Anaheim for the Orange County Exotic Bird Fair, and he's already here and I'm walking around and looking for the entrance, and there's a swap meet. Here's some kind of like playground back here. Here's a lot of cars. It was so hard to find parking, and now I'm looking for Ryan. Ryan, where are you? I don't know where's the expo. This place is huge. There's a Mexican grill. Am I in the right place? Oh no, I think I'm lost. I'm not in the right place. I need to call Ryan. Well, okay, I have to stop this video and I have to call Ryan because I don't see the expo. I just see swap meets and cars and grills. Let me call Ryan.
A few moments later.
Ryan, I found you! Oh my gosh, that was quite a drive. And parking is crazy out of there.
Hi.
Hey, good to see you. Hey, look, we have partner look, right?
Right.
So how is it?
It's pretty small.
It's small.
It's small, yeah. There's not a lot of stuff here, but there are some cool birds, so.
Are you on the market for another baby?
Maybe.
Okay, don't hate on us. Ryan is a bird hoarder. So am I.
Yeah.
We love birds, right?
Luckily, Sven's here to keep me in line.
Oh, Sven! Emotional support.
How's it going?
Good. So, I hear birds now.
Yeah.
Birds.
And it costs $10.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
$10. And they give you a stem and everything?
Yeah.
Even though it's just an hour still open?
You could ask him.
Yeah. This is small! Oh my gosh! Hi.
Hello.
This is so small. Like Pomona is like huge. Yeah. So how much is entrance?
$10, please.
$10! Okay guys, it's $10 to get in here. I have to consider if I want to be in here. I pay half price. $5. Okay. Let's do 5.
Thank you for coming, ma'am.
Yeah. This is my first time here, but it's small. Pomona is huge. Okay guys, I am in. Let's go look at birds. Dude, I just paid $5.
You did? Of course you did.
I was like, what? This is small. I paid $5. He said, okay.
That's awesome.
This is like nothing. Like, seriously.
Yeah, it's
No
really small.
toys. And I drove like an hour.
We drove more than that. It took us an hour and 40 minutes.
And here's like no toys.
No, there's only like one place that has stuff. Cute military.
People, for you guys who wants to come to our Orange Fair Exotic Bird Mark, it's not worth it.
You gotta do the Pomona show. That's the only good one. It's Pomona.
Pomona show is
Yeah.
the only good one.
It's huge. Everyone
Yeah.
goes to that one.
And look at those, there's toys. But I was like, hey, Ryan, come here. You wanted to spend like what, $200?
There's not enough toys here to even spend $200 on toys. Oh well.
Where do you think you're going? I don't care. Where are you going? You need to go over there. We have a Thank you.
He's yours, like actually yours?
No, we're selling him. Here's a Icky. Here's a rose red cockatoo. Here is a Amazon. Hi. Oh, lorikeets. Hi, you little lorikeets. Hi. Oh. Hey. Oh, you have a new friend?
He's not friendly.
Are you flirting?
You're not very friendly.
What are you? What are you? Cutie. He's a little smaller than a regular macaw. You're getting a bouffon?
I would love one, but no, I have no money to spend on a bird. Just toys.
Toys to shred.
Toys to shred, yeah. Wow, that's a big toy.
Wow, this is a nice toy. Alright. These are sweet. These are going so fast. $7 for just a little chain.
These are nice though.
Oh, these are nice.
27, that's good. They're 40 at the pet store.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting them?
I'm gonna get 2, yeah.
Look at banana thing. But like for lorikeets,
I feel like
they
Angel
eat.
would like to sit in that.
Yeah, he likes to poop in it. And then for lorikeets, it's not good. Like everything that is like texture, they can swallow and eat it, and then you have this whole crop full of like fibers.
It's only $20.
Oh, look at little chicks. Hope comes with one beak and he bites everything. Yeah.
With just untreated bird-safe wood.
The Pomona show is so amazing. Like at the end, you can negotiate and you can get like toys. A lot of toys for $50. Like they sell at the end of the show everything like for cheap.
That's nice.
Yeah. Because they just want to get rid of their stuff because they don't want to go home with it.
Yeah.
You know, they want to make money. This is also cool. They're like $20.
Yeah.
$20. Oh, look, and you can put a ring in there.
That looks fun.
The front guy was so annoyed. I was like, $10, it's nothing in here. And he was like, very like, what?
That was pretty funny when we walked in and you the price. Yeah.
Dude, I don't want to pay $10. I already paid $10 on gas to come here.
I just hear, wow, it's so small. Definitely a long drive for them.
But if Ryan finds something for babies,
Yep.
it's maybe worth it. Just so sad. You just have one store to buy from toys. Just one stand. Look at all these toys. These are little shredders. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing just one stand full of toys, and this is the only stand we can buy toys in. Oh, look! A little, what is this?
This is Nande Conure.
A cornier, a black-headed cornier. It's so cute.
Thank you.
These balls hold shreds like within like 2 minutes. It's gone.
Yeah.
It's just good for Amazons, but not for macaws.
That's fun.
So Hope breaks this like in 2 minutes. Do I get another one? I got another one for Destiny. I had so many of these. I got one of these. One ball. These two, they are all like for little birdies. I got one of these.
I take that 125. I'm feeling generous. It's my company.
Yeah, face cheese. You on YouTube now.
They lowered the price and gave me 2 free balls.
Oh, that's very generous.
That's Beak Busters. Beak Busters.
Beak Busters.
Let me show them the t-shirt. Beak Busters.
Cool.
That's generous.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm broke. I just got a new baby. I'm gonna get this little ball.
$1? Yeah, just take it.
Oh, thank you. That's really generous too. Okay, promotion for Big Busters.
Big Busters, we're friendly.
Yes, I am Angelic Parrots on Instagram. Follow
All right,
us.
we'll follow you.
4 parrots.
Cool, at least they'll have fun playing with all this stuff now.
Yeah, he gave me this for free.
Nice.
That's so sweet.
See, it wasn't so bad.
Let's go look at the parrots. Look, there's a
Looks like a Carolina.
Catalina.
He's giving himself a massage.
I feel so sorry for the birds in those markets. Like that they have to sit here and have like this play. Always. Poor things.
That military over there, the way they clipped him was really good though. He has his flight feathers on the end, and they only clipped every other one in between, like pretty long, pretty far out.
Did he open his wings? How did you know?
Yeah,
Did you saw
he
it?
opened them up. Yeah, I was pretty impressed by that. They don't all look like that though.
Oh, look at his cute little face.
Yeah.
He looks so different from our birds. Aww. Such a different face from Hope or even like Yara.
Yeah. You can easily build that, but you just have to powder coat it, which I don't know how expensive that is.
To make it safe for the birds.
Yeah. But that's quite easy.
I'm sorry. Did I spook you? Hi. Want to see your pretty face? Hi. You're so cute. Am I coming too close to you? Okay, I'll zoom in. Give you some privacy. Oh, African gray. There's Destiny. Oh, and a little Eki. You want one of these, right?
I like those a lot.
They are mid-size. They are like Destiny is so huge. He fits now in Hope's harness.
That boy.
He likes to eat his eggs at night.
That's cute.
I cook for him. Oh, you are so cute. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, but one of these is so cute. He has such a different face than Destiny. They all look so different.
There's more vendors than this. I have a lot of the same.
They're higher. Hi. I don't think they are babies though, right?
For the military, he's 10 months old.
He's 10 months.
You could tell.
I can get those ones to hop.
How much are your birds?
Which one?
Like this lorikeet,
$9.75.
975.
Yeah.
He's cool. And what about the Eki?
The Solomon Island?
Yeah, the red one.
1500.
15. And the yellow double heading?
The double yellowhead, I'll do 1650.
The double yellowhead is 1650 and the Eki is 1500.
Hey.
And the lorikeet is almost $1,000. So one day if Angel and my little baby girl get babies.
Bring your cat around on Macaw.
They're so cute.
What?
They're so cute. I love lorikeets. You wanted a military, something green. You need something green. You have all reds.
No more clip birds though. I want a baby that
And fly.
has its real wings.
Yeah. It's different. You have to wait so long.
Fernando still can't fly. It's been like 6 months almost, or 5 months.
But it's growing.
He's almost there, yeah. But Yara only took less than 4 months because they pulled their
They
feathers.
pulled the feathers
Yeah.
and the
It
doctor
worked,
was
though.
right.
It worked, yeah.
It kind of gives like the signal like,
Yeah,
oh, feathers is
grow
gone,
more.
let's replace it.
Yeah, it worked. It did work.
Yeah. Look, there's more toys. You want to check this out?
I saw the prices on those too.
They look expensive though.
They are, yeah.
Because it's so few. Look, the swings are kind of cute. I like leather toy. I don't like sisal. I like leather because sisal can go in a crop.
Yeah.
If they eat it and then they get like a full crop. $50.
There's some cool pheasants over here on the other side.
Okay, let's go check it out. Muy guapos. Muy guapos. Hi. You are so cute. Angel will love you. Okay, 1800.
You got a pretty face. The yellow with the blue.
The blue fronted, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Look it. A red-headed lorky is $900. Is this a golden? No, it's not a golden. It's a sun conure.
I saw it for a second. I thought the same thing.
They're $2,000.
I've never seen golden conures out here.
They're very rare.
Yeah.
Very
These
rare.
guys, though.
What are they? They're some kind of conure mix.
Those are baby sun conures.
Sun conure?
Yeah. They turn yellow when they get older.
Oh, little cockatiel. Only.
Look at that.
What's that? I always wonder why they call them peasant because they look so nice. It's not a peasant from the old times like those.
Pheasant, like with an F.
Pheasant.
Pheasant, yeah.
I always call them peasant.
It looks like it.
Yeah, like peasant. Pheasant. Peasant. Wow. Oh yeah. It's even a trio peasant.
I can go put this in the car. It's like, nope.
Before I got Dino and before I got all my birds, I once bought a cockatiel at Pomona Bird Fair for $20. A week later he died because he had a disease. It was like really tragic.
That's bad.
Yeah. Wow, look at they. They have like nice coloring. Small. Cute. Cute little guys. Oh, look at those lovebirds. They're so cute. You don't want lovebirds? Oh no way! What the hell?
I was like, who's filming here? And then I'm like, oh my god.
Too funny.
Oh my god, George! That's so funny.
Say what?
An action. You've never met Marlene before?
No, not in person, no. She's gonna come watch us fly at El Mirage, right?
Yes, that's what she said she wants to do.
Cool, that'd be great. Sounds good.
Well, met Liam and Carolin. And the swap meet, there's even less birds. There's just like other awesome Mexican stuff. You wanna walk one more round or you gonna go?
We're gonna go, yeah.
Okay.
We got our toys.
Okay.
We're ready.
We'll see. I will see you Wednesday.
Yes.
Bye.
Nice to
Bye,
see you.
Sven.
Bye.
Nice seeing you too. Alrighty guys, I'm the Orange Care Swap Meet and I just bumped into Mostly McCohen, who is, wait, where is she? Where is she? She was over there somewhere. I'm gonna go chase her down. But anyway, there's not a lot of birds here. There's one. Oh look at little, oh look what do I see. Hi guys, two little destinies. Hi, you guys are so cute. Hi. Oh, they're feeding each other. Hi. Hi. What about you? Hi. You're a kitty too. Hi. And I'm here. A lot of little Amazons. They're so cute. Little cute Amazons. Hi. What about you? Oh my gosh, you look like Leo. So cute. Look, and here's a toucan. Drinking water. Hi. Hey. Oh, how much is the toucan? 3,000. 3,000? Oh, you are so cute. Hi. Hi. Oh. What else do I need? Is he friendly?
Yeah, he's so friendly. It's taking him a while, but slowly gaining his trust here. Okay, and I just scared him. Come on, you dork. Come on.
He's like all a green Amazon. What do you call him?
Yellow nape.
A yellow nape. But where's his yellow?
He's a baby.
Missing.
Oh, it's coming?
Yeah, he's just a baby. Look at his feathers.
Are you getting him?
He's not the one I'm looking for, but he's making it hard. He's making it really hard.
I have one. They're so cute.
A yellow name?
Double yellow-headed.
Oh, so bigger.
Yeah, the same size almost, but all this, their head is just yellow.
More yellow.
Yeah, like those guys over there. Oh,
Are you getting another one today?
No, I already have 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just here for buying toys. Toys.
So you're from
Okay, so am I getting some toys? TikTok? $16. I want some toys for Hope. This is fun. Oh wow, this looks like fun. This has like straw stuff in there. 15. This is so much fun. Yes, you want to see it. Little balls. Oh, this is a good idea. Look at like little tickets. Somebody took a lot of time to put this together. Or even this. Even this. This is also a fun toy.
I think the sports center, they're probably playing football.
Oh, this is a good idea.
Oh, maybe it's the 30 minute notice.
And you just put little beads between it. Just need to cut it. I like this fortuning thing. Fortuning. Oh, this would be nice for Angel. Look at this. This is like little puzzles. Like you guys have to see the little puzzles put together in little beads. In a ball. This is a fun toy. Oh, locks and chains. This is cool too. Cool. Paper rolls. This is cool. Paper rolls. Like to shred. Oh, cards. Who came up with all these awesome ideas?
Me?
You did?
Yes.
This is amazing. And also like the puzzle ball right here. This is so creative. Yeah. Alright, let's go to George.
Your money's gonna fall.
What? Wait, what? Where? Here? Let me put this secure. Thank you. I just lost my money. It fell out of my pocket. Oh my gosh. And this boy just came out and says, hey, you lost your money and gave me back my $20. Oh. I love to see honest people here. Okay, so look who is here. George! Hey, George!
Hey, what's up?
Hi! Oh, you have a new friend.
Yeah.
If you don't know it, George is the parrot whisperer.
Right. The Macaw whisperer.
The Macaw whisperer.
I'm good with macaws. Oh,
He
yeah.
loves you.
He's already puking for me.
So cute.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so cute. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh. Hi. Oh. Oh. What about you? Can I touch you? Oh, just like Destiny. He's also roaring at me. How about you? Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh! Can I touch you? Oh, yes! I can touch you. Oh, you are so cute. Hi. Hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you have a lot of pin feathers. Look at all your pin feathers. Can you help you? Oh, he likes it. I'm helping him to like open his pin feathers right here. Oh, he is so cute.
A few moments later.
Hi. You're on YouTube. Hi, I'm Caroline.
My name's Ernesto.
Hi, Ernesto.
We're fans of your show.
You are? You watch my videos?
Well, on and off, but the last one that I saw is when you lost your
Macaw?
Macaw.
Hope?
Kopi.
Where? Like the one I
In the
lost?
desert, I believe.
Oh, yes. Yeah, but I got him back.
You got him back.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah. Do you have birds?
Yeah, I have 3 conures.
Oh, cool. Go for it.
Thank you
Nice
very
meeting you,
much.
Ernesto.
Pleasure.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Yay, we just met a CVP fan. So what I'm gonna do is... Hola. Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look. 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 Oh, you like it? He likes it. Look. Look. Oh. Oh. Now this is the most exciting thing of all times. I get to play with this little military macaw, and he loves this little ball. Hi, can I touch you now? Can I touch you? Oh, oh, oh! Hi. Oh, you lost a feather. Look. Oh, hi. Hi. Can I have it? Can you give me a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Oh, I'm sorry. Hi. He's trying. Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Look at how his eyes lights up. Hey, 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 hey. I love this little dog. He screams like Hope. Hope is also the... You want to break it? You want to break it? Can we say it's a happy dance? You're so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. Oh. Hi. Oh. 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 Here, 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 here. Hi. Here, go fetch. Look. 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 Go fetch. How much is this green military macaw? $20?
1900.
Oh, 19. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so like fascinated with this ball right now.
Yeah.
You should give him some
She's
points.
like really stubborn than how she was out there today, so
Maybe she doesn't like to be in the market. She has quite a temperament.
they're really stubborn and they could pick whatever they like the most.
Here.
I can stay still? No, come here. Come here. You have to stay in this spot. This is your cage. Okay, we're gonna give it back to her, okay?
Aww. How much are those lorikeets?
They're $9.75 each.
$9.75. I have a larky.
They have character.
Yeah, they are little brush tongue clowns. They're little clowns, aren't you, little clowns? Are you guys gonna be in Pomona like in November?
I think it's in Victorville. I'm not quite sure, but I could always check.
Hi. What do you want? You want to continue to play? You want to continue to play? You're so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. You're so cute. Look, he's like
2,000.
He's like playing.
1,800 for both of these. You do 1,000, 750, 1,000.
Oh, thank you. I got it back. Hey guys.
Oh my God! Somebody has a mustache parakeet on their shoulder.
Are you gonna get it? Oh,
No,
is it
it's
ready?
like theirs.
Is that one right there?
Wow.
Where?
But it's
On
not.
the cage.
No, they have pointy tails.
It's not Picasso, right?
It's not Picasso, George says, but like I want to go see it and meet it.
Let's go.
But George said the guy wasn't so like, oh my God, yeah, meet me. Where?
Marlene, right here. Look, this Amazon looks like Leo. Right here. Check this out.
But Leo's got fluffy head.
A little fluffier and a longer beak.
Aww.
But little, right?
A little.
Tight liner.
Oh, look at the fluffy toucan.
I know.
Where's the guy? Wait, did that guy straight up leave? Like I can't find him now.
Huh?
I can't find him. It's like the person disappeared.
No, he's somewhere over here. He had a little girl with it.
What shirt type? What color shirt does he have?
I don't know. It was a short dude.
A short dude with a white shirt.
I don't remember what color shirt.
Okay.
I swear I was
With a little
following
girl.
him and then he wasn't there.
Maybe he left because it's so small.
He had a little girl with him.
Little girl.
You're sure that was not Picasso?
Right.
All right. So here's the situation.
No, but
George saw
his
a
chest-
guy
You can tell his chest
who
had
had a little mustache parakeet who looks like Picasso, and we're tracking him down now to see if it's Picasso, because we hope it's Picasso so that Marlene can get Picasso home, but we are looking for him right now. He probably left. Should we go outside and look? I'm so excited to see you in this market.
I know, I can't believe that I'm running into you.
I know. But he has also 4 macaws. He's a bird nerd. I don't.
He's a bird nerd.
Ryan, we love you. You are awesome.
Oh my God, one dude that you guys were with looked like Jenna's boyfriend.
Who?
I don't know.
In
You were
there?
with 2 guys.
Yeah.
One looks like Jenna's boyfriend, I'm not kidding you, but without the mustache.
Interesting. Was it Ryan?
I don't know. The one with the longer hair.
Ryan.
No, wait.
The shorter one?
Are they still here?
No, they're on the swap meet right now.
Oh, okay. I can't believe you're here.
I know. What a coincidence! Like not a collab.
All these YouTubers suddenly start showing up at bird parks.
I know. Hey, you are gonna go to the Pomona Bird Mart, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna.
Big show. Come out to my red carpet, and I'm gonna open the silver play button there. Yay!
I'll be there.
And we're gonna have a big party.
Oh, I might have my baby by then.
Oh! Then, okay. Hold on.
But the sniffers don't know yet what type of baby I'm getting, so
You told your channel?
my CVPs don't know it either.
Okay.
We just know it's a baby, but
I
we
saw
don't know
you
what.
put a video on the cage.
Yes, I got new pages.
Okay, so yes, at Pomona Bird Mart, I'm gonna open the silver play button.
Yay! Silver play button.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so fun.
100,000 subscribers.
100,000. Yay!
100,000.
Why is this guy not here anymore? Did he just walk in with a mustache parakeet and leave? And it's like I would have loved to have met one and cuddled one.
I know.
We didn't even check out the other
Hey,
side.
let's go row for row. We might run into him. It's so small here. It's not like seeking
It's
a
small
needle
because
in a haystack.
It's small because they're competing with another day in Arizona.
Oh,
But
interesting.
oh my god! These are like cockatoo pigeons.
Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Little cockatoo pigeons.
Excuse me, did you saw a guy with a mustache parakeet?
Excuse me?
Did you saw a guy with a mustache parakeet?
Yes.
Yeah? Here? Where?
What kind of bird did you looking for?
Mustache parakeet with Indian ringneck.
Oh, I used to have it, but in my house.
Oh, in your
I used to
house.
have mayors only.
Oh.
I used to have a mustache person.
No, I saw one here. We're looking for one here. You sold it. Okay. It's Myers. Yeah, he's probably already gone. He's gone, Merlene. I don't see them.
What's over here? I think I need to get. Oh yeah, I like Avitech.
What's that?
Avitech is the company that like makes Featherific and all those.
Good stuff for like
Yeah.
birds'
But I don't
health?
see Featherific here. Let me see.
I can ask. Excuse me, do you have Featherific?
Normally we carry it, but we don't have any at the moment. Sorry about that.
Reptile stuff.
Got a medication. Did you pay the fee?
Yeah.
$10?
Let me guess, you didn't. They caught us at the door.
I paid $5. I came in, I was like, what? $10?
How did you get to pay $5?
Because I told them, here's nothing. And make a little scene. And I was like, I paid $5. He says, okay.
You made a scene. Did you film this scene that you made?
I did. It's like a CVP thing. Ryan and Swen was very disappointed, like $10 and here's nothing. Oh, it's so sweet.
I should get a harness. But that's for a dog. I need to get another one. I need to get one for Leo.
Avian harness is the best.
Yeah.
Right.
Look. Look at this.
What? Oh, the peasants?
Oh my god.
What a killer bird. Look at this little beautiful thing.
Guys, look at this. Wow. Look at those feathers.
So beautiful.
Right?
Very
I can't
beautiful.
believe I never found the mustache parakeet guy up close.
They're also very rare.
I know. It's like, I'm sorry about your mustache
Aw.
parakeet. And he's like, I've been looking.
Oh,
Everyone's been looking.
that guy with the cute eyes?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you doing? Hi. Look. Oh. Oh. He wants to go for my finger. He's looking at my finger. Let's buy toys
We
again.
got all these for Jersey.
I know we did.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
my
this is
birds
exciting.
shred everything. I saw your video.
Did you like
where,
it?
Yeah, where you give all the toys out what we bought at the store.
This is like, oh. That's a good toy.
And this lady is making her out by herself.
Oh, wow.
And you have to see the card thing. Like right there, it's so creative. Like, check this out. This is all cards. I know.
Cody, do you see what I made Cody? Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh my god.
So awesome,
That's
right?
amazing.
Somebody put a lot of love and time in
How
it.
long did this take you to make? Oh my god. That's probably the one and only time you made that, right?
No, I made quite a few of them.
How would it be worth the effort?
She actually makes all these toys.
I know, but like this for the price, like that would be so many hours of work.
I know, and check out this puzzle
This
thing.
is nice.
Marlene, look at this puzzle
Oh
toy.
my god, amazing
It's
toys.
all just little puzzles
amazing
like putting together.
toys.
Right? Do you have a business card? $8.
That's your name, huh?
Me too?
Is your last name really Bird? It really is.
No way.
It is.
Stop. Guys.
Beak Busters Bird.
Her last name is really Bird. And she made all, this is like, have you guys ever seen the episode of, I swear I saw an episode of like, what do you call it, emergency care, where they actually say that people's last names detect the emergency they're gonna have.
Interesting.
Like, yeah, like people have had all sorts of emergencies, like pole man, and they got like a pole stuck through them, or just random things. It was fascinating. That was a bad example, but that didn't happen.
It was funny though.
Something like Sphere, and they got it.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That's so hilarious. Beak Busters, guys, look at this cart. This is so much fun to shred and break. So birds, you buy toys for birds so that birds can break it, so you watch them break it and you have fun, enjoy watching them breaking toys. That's the reason why you spend money to buy toys for them. It's all the fun in the breaking the things and shredding all over for you to clean up. I love this. This is so creative. So creative. Look at that, guys. And this is just $15. If you want this, go to Beak Busters or Bird Beak, what's it called? Beak Busters. Go to Beak Busters and check it out. It's just $15, guys, and it's totally worth it.
Totally worth it.
Shred and all these different colors. Bird loves colors. They love to like play with colors.
Oh, they would probably like it.
They like it too. They like the bell, the little bell. Everybody else is lame.
What's your YouTube?
My YouTube is Carolin Petzholdt.
I found the other girl's YouTube.
Marlene Macaw? Yeah. I'm Carolin Petzholdt. I am more dramatic with my content. So she's gonna say, come support this bird mark, and I'm gonna say, this is so small, don't come here. Did you find me?
I didn't find you.
Did you find her?
Yeah, this is Marlene. Caroline? Put in Caroline, my name. Vaughn Petzholdt. 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 Let me see. Yeah, that's me. The first one.
Okay.
The first one. Alright, I'm gonna get some toys. I think I'm gonna get 1, 2.
I just subscribed to you.
Awesome! No new CVPs. I call my fans CVPs as Carolin Petzholdt. Oh, so somebody just lost a bird. A bird flew up right up there. Oh, poor thing. Wait, let me turn it around. I don't know if you guys can. Right at the tip of my finger, right there. You see that? There's a little green chiconia that just flew away. You know when he flew away? How long is he up there?
Just now.
Just now?
What's that?
Just now they flew away?
Oh yeah. I don't know where it came from. It just came like. Went right
Wow.
up in there.
Marlene! Come here. A bird just flew away.
What?
A bird flew away.
Like what bird?
Like,
There's always flyaways at these things.
right there, you see the box?
No.
The first box?
Is that yours?
The first box?
I'm not good at this kind of stuff. You
Well,
see
up
this
there,
bird?
there's a green chiconia that is sitting right under the pipe.
You see it now?
Yeah. Look,
Where?
look. You're gonna, it's gonna, oh, poor
Why don't
thing.
they get a ladder?
There's no ladder.
It's not gonna fly out.
I hope,
It's a little conure.
yeah, you can get him down. He's throwing. Oh. They're trying to get the bird down.
I mean, it's not gonna fly down. It's gonna fly back up.
You'll make it just more scared. Oh, there. Oh, he's right there now. Right there. And they're chasing it. He's not going to come down.
This is not a good idea. They need to just get a ladder and
This is not a good idea, right?
No.
I don't even want to watch this.
I don't want to watch this either.
So sad. They're going to chase him till exhaustion so he comes down?
Birds don't tend to like to fly down. They're like so, I don't feel like they even know birds.
No.
What is he
It's
doing?
one of these guys. What are they? Conures? It's one of these guys. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Right? That bird's not coming down, right? No.
They just keep hitting it.
No.
What would you do?
I leave it until it gets
Just what she wanted, the paparazzi to be on her all day. She makes one comment and we're like, tell us more.
He's not gonna come down like that.
Tomorrow.
You coming back tomorrow?
Okay, they're gonna come back and get him tomorrow.
Poor thing. So guys, a bird flew away. He's right now up there at the bird mark and they're trying to get it down and they're throwing stuff on him, but he's not coming down like that. Poor thing, poor thing. No, don't do that. There's the bird. There's the poor little thing. He's too afraid to come down. All right, Marlene, I'm gonna head out. Bye. Nice seeing you.
Bye.
Seeing you. Heading out. It's
Okay.
awesome to see you always.
I can't believe you're here.
I know, me too. It's like
one of your friends looks like Jenna's boyfriend. I'm not
no
kidding.
way.
One of your
Right?
friends, I swear, looks like Jonah.
Okay, she thinks Ryan looks like Jenna's boyfriend. Like dark and handsome, like him, right? I watched one of your videos, the very first one, and he's like, okay guys, I like dark and handsome and hairy. The more hairy like a gorilla, the better.
I did say that. I just saw that the other day. Oh my god.
It was hilarious. I was like, oh,
My
Marlene.
mistake.
She even looked at first like the closest thing to her father, you know?
Yeah.
And look at that. She got a George.
And you
She
were
got a
hairy.
George.
And
I'm hairy.
handsome.
And
dark,
George. And a Leo.
And handsome. And a Leo. And a bird lover.
And
She
a
got
bird
the whole package.
And a bird lover.
Oh, did you finish the stand for Rocky?
Well, I did.
Wow.
He finished it. Rocky's standing on it, but he's got to improve it.
There,
He made a temporary thing.
it's temporary, but it's a good temporary.
Good.
It's a good temporary.
But you see, you trust your guy, and he is on Mission Impossible. Mission Impossible, right?
I'm sending you. Carolyn just asked me if George finished the stand for Rocky, and he finished it, but he's still got to change out something.
It looks good though.
And she goes, see, trust your guy, and I'm like,
You're always like this.
darkness.
I don't call it darkness. It's more like
No, but it's not
suspicious.
ready yet.
It's so cute. You guys
It's
are
not-
so cute. I
it's
love
not
you
ready
guys.
yet.
I love
Love
you guys.
you too.
Bye.
Guys, come to Pomona Bird Mart.
Yes.
Yay!
Pomona Bird Mart. She's gonna open her silver play button.
Yes.
Watch her video.
Yes. You guys gotta come. I posted the video today.
And you will have red carpet and everything?
Yeah, I have a little plastic red carpet. But I have a big backdrop with a step and repeat, everything.
Lights? I have lights.
I have the lights,
You
everything.
have everything.
Yeah.
You're all set.
Yeah, I'm all set.
This is a girl on fire, I'm telling you. She's a doer.
We're
She's
gonna
not
have-
just a dreamer, she's even a dreamer and a doer. I love
Exactly. We're gonna have a cake.
that. Gluten free?
No, but I'm gonna have I won't be able to eat it.
I'll make it so you can.
We're gonna make me Jenna's gonna make me gluten-free brownies.
But for everybody else, normal cake.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Just for sure to get your attention.
Awesome.
I don't know when this video is gonna get out because I have so many videos to get out.
I know. Even our first hiking video is not out
I
yet.
film more than I edit.
It's hard
I have
work.
like
It's
20
hard work.
videos in waiting and 40 maybe like 60 non-parrot related videos in editing.
Wow, so much footage, so much content. And now one more.
And now I gotta get it out. I need to get rich enough to hire an editor.
Yeah.
Don't we all?
Show me your stand. Wow, look at that. Now that's a masculine man right there. This is awesome. You can fix things. You're talented. Looks very, very robust.
That's the sights.
So I just got a whole bunch of toys in here. So Marlene, close your eyes.
Okay.
And pick a toy.
What do you mean? Just put my hand in
Yeah,
there?
put in your hand and pick a toy.
Where's the entrance of the bag?
Right there. Oh, she made my selfie stick.
Alright, bye!
Keep it, it's yours.
We can't beat that
No,
here.
keep it,
No,
it's yours.
stop, I'm not keeping it.
You can have it. I have two.
You need it.
Everything, okay, let's try it again. Let's take out
so
this.
funny.
Let's take out the selfie stick. Oh,
Aw, Jersey's favorite.
yes, Josie's favorite.
Look, it's empty here now.
So fast. Oh, empty.
What time did you get here at?
Like 1:45.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
like 15 minutes before me.
yeah,
We're the late YouTubers.
yeah.
All the other YouTubers came and left already.
Where's April?
I don't know.
April should be here.
April, get on board.
Right. I have so many. Keep it. You want it.
keep it.
You want
You
it.
keep it.
You want it.
Keep it. Keep
You
it.
want
Keep
it. Keep it for Jersey. This is a little mittlings. Did he buy that there?
I have no idea.
Oh, did you buy him?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I was playing with her. Yay. She's getting a new home. Yay. So if you go to YouTube, Carolin von Petzholdt, you can see how I was playing with her. She is gorgeous. You did a really amazing companion.
She's really pretty.
What are you gonna name this bird?
We're still figuring that one out.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna get to know each other.
Ryan wanted her too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ryan was like, oh my gosh. Like when he came in, he spotted her the first and he straight away went over.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so cute. You
Awesome.
are the happy winner. Yeah, you're so cute. She's cute. I'm still wondering what they're gonna do with that little bird that's sitting up there at the window. I hope they're not gonna leave it here to like die or suffocate. Little bird, little bird. Where's little bird? Did he move yet? Little bird. Oh my gosh, he's gone. Yeah, he moved. The bird moved, right? He's not there anymore. Oh, there he is. There. There he is. Little bird. There he is. Oh, look it, guys. There's the little bird. He's trying to like. Yeah. So guys, I think this is pretty much it. It's nothing going on in this bird fair. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna just wrap this up, this video, this vlog. And yeah, the only thing exciting is I saw Brian and Marlene here, which is awesome. Go check out Marlene's channel, Marlene Cohen, and check out also my other videos. And today's shout out goes to this person and this person. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, I think I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.